Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents
Use oregano oil against infections, cold, pain, sores, etc. It acts like an antibiotic, one of the most powerful herbs that many people use because of its amazing healing abilities is oregano. We mostly use it in the kitchen, but did you know that the oil extracted of oregano is especially beneficial? It is abundant in antioxidants. It contains 3 times more antioxidants than blueberries. We need antioxidants so that we can be protected of the damage caused by free radicals. This oil contains carvacrol, which is a very strong antibacterial agent which eliminates numerous strains of bacteria. It destroys their membranes and doesn't allow them to replicate. This antibacterial doesn't destroy the beneficial bacteria, but it only destroys the harmful ones. It is even better than antibiotics. The oregano essential oil contains an abundance of minerals like copper, boron, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, manganese, zinc, as well as vitamins like niacin, A, beta-carotene, C, etc. There are 4 main groups of different chemicals that act as healing agents. They are mostly antioxidants and antiseptics. Their properties include anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antiviral, and anesthetic properties. Bonereol and linalool are some of them, which are long-chain alcohols, but there are also esters like geranyl acetate and linalyl acetate, which are full of antifungal properties. The best types of oregano essential oil are the levels of carvacrol should be between 50% and 85%. Try to buy the one with the highest percentage. Try to find oregano oil without additives, that is raw. Oregano oil distilled on steam is higher in quality. Oregano oil should be taken like this. It is considered to be an antibiotic even though it's a natural product. It shouldn't be taken for long. Use oregano oil along with some carrier oil. You can use olive or coconut oil. They are the best of all. Guidelines for taking oregano essential oil. Put a little bit of oil on your arm to see if you have some reaction or redness. If you take it orally, take several drops of it for 7 to 10 days. Then make a break and you can use it again. Don't forget to dilute it in some carrier oil.
If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.